Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I want to give you a quick reminder of this so-called lawn care calendar year. If you're wanting a better lawn in 2021, or you want to maintain what you have, when does that process start? How do you go about doing that? And the answer is it's not January to December. It doesn't start at the beginning of the actual calendar year. It starts in the fall. The lawn care calendar year runs from fall to fall. What you do right now in the fall months is what lays the foundation for everything that's going to happen next year in 2021. So right now is the fall pre-emergent. That's what we're putting out, and that's your first step. The fall pre-emergent is gonna set the groundwork for weed control for the first quarter of next year and into the second. So even into May, April and May. This fall pre-emergent application is going to prevent the weeds that happen, that come up during those months. Yes, there's a spring pre-emergent application, but by the time you put that out, the weeds that are popping up at that time have already germinated and been growing for quite some time. So right now is the time to prevent those and lay the groundwork for next year. So you don't want to skip this application. You want to get it done. Get out there and get your products, get them put down, or have your lawn care company come out and put down the fall pre-emergent. It's super important. And again, this is the beginning of next year for your lawn. A good weed-free, healthy lawn in 2021 starts right now. So get on that. Hope that helps. If you have any questions about it, feel free to let us know. Thanks.